Dinos Vietnam. Today, I want to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Well, honestly, I think smoking in the campus area is not a good idea because smoking can disturb other people, especially non-smokers. The smell and the smoke can make you feel uncomfortable, and even worse, it can affect our health. Campus should be a place for learning, not for smoking. When people smoke around, it doesn't only make the air dirty, but also give a bad example to others, especially new students. I understand that some people find it hard to stop smoking. In my opinion, it's better if our campus keeps the environment clean and healthy, so everyone can focus on learning and feel comfortable. Thank you for listening, and I hope our campus can be a smoke-free place in the future.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, my name is Novidiani Dinaspriata. I will present the question word. Definition. Question word are words used to ask for specific information in a sentence. They help from question by indicating what kind of information is needed, such as a person, place, time, reason, method, or thing. Next, example of question word include what asks about things, object or information, who asks about a person, where asks about a place, when asks about time, why asks about choice, preference, reason or purpose, which asks about which person, object or things, how asks about manner, condition or process. Use. We use the question word when we want to get specific or more information, and they are different than yes or no questions. What? We use what when we want to ask about things, object, information, facts. Formula. What plus auxiliary verb is or are or do or does or did, plus subject plus main verb plus interrogative. Examples: what is she doing? What are you doing? What do you want? What did they buy? Next, who? Who is an interrogative word used to ask about the person or subject in a sentence, meaning who. Formula: who plus auxiliary verb do or does or did, plus subject plus verb. Examples: who do you love? Who did they invite? Who does she trust? Next, where? We use where when we want to ask about place. Formula: where plus to be, is or are or was or were, plus subject. Examples: where are you from? Where is the store? Next, when. We use when we want to ask about time and moment. Formula: when plus auxiliary verb do or does or did plus subject plus verb. Examples: when is your birthday? When does the bus leave? Next, why. We use why when we want to ask about reason. Formula: why plus to be, is or are or was or were, plus subject. Examples: why were they late? Why is he and me? Why are you here? Next, when. We use when we want to ask about time and moment. Formula: when plus auxiliary verb do or does or did plus subject plus verb. Examples: when is your birthday? When does the bus leave? Next, which. We use which when we want to ask about choice preference. Which plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus interrogative. Examples: which do you choose? Which is better? Which is yours? Next, how. We use how we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Formula: how plus to be, is or are or was or were, the subject. Examples: how are you? How is the weather? How were the results? With how there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. Next, how. How much, how many, how long, how far, how old, how often. Next, how much or money. We use how much or money when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. Examples, how much milk do you drink? Next, how long? We use how long when we want to ask about distance. Jody, how long is the movie? Kenji, the movie is 90 minutes long. Next, how far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. For example, Cici, how far is it to Paris? Intan, it's 500 kilometers to Paris. Next, how old? We use how old when we want to ask about the age. Iwan, how old are they? These are 24. Next, how often? We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. Examples, Sandina, how often does she study? Anis, she studies every day. To conclude my presentation, I apologize for any mistake. Thank you.